The element in the bottom left corner of the navigation panel is optional and displays the macros of the glass slide and its label. To zoom in the macros by a configurable amount, hover the mouse over the element. To configure its visibility, click the Show Hide Layout Configuration window button on the toolbar. In the Macro section of the window that opens, it is possible to choose the zoom level for the macro hovering and select whether to display only the slide macro, only the label, both, or neither. Click OK to apply changes, or Cancel to close the window without saving. These settings are saved at the user level and will be applied whenever a digital pathology case is opened by the user. To toggle the visibility of overlay elements, including the macros, click the Hide Show Labels button on the toolbar.